Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala from Grace Healing Homeopathy. Today let us discuss a very interesting remedy, that is Valeriana. Now I'll just speak something about Valeriana which I have seen in my practice, very unique mental symptoms of Valeriana. Now first symptom of Valeriana that you should remember is, I had a case where the patient, used to go in the room and you used to feel, how is this room, not built properly, everything is dull, lighting is not proper. I feel as if where I have landed up in. This was a feeling the patient, of course the patient was suffering from mild depression, and this was a feeling when he entered his house, especially his room. And he used to feel that everything is changed so much, I don't like this, I don't like my bed, the bed is not so proper, that's why I feel so depressed, and my life is also taken a U-turn, now I'm so depressed, nothing is working for me. There's a very interesting symptom in Valeriana, delusion, room desolate is. Now desolate means what, very bleak emptiness, or you can say unhappiness, loneliness. This is the first symptom you must see for Valeriana. Room, there's a delusion, room desolate is. And if you go one step further, the patient was feeling delusion, everything is strange and disagreeable. Although the room was very nice maybe months ago when everything was okay, but now feels that everything is strange and disagreeable. The room appears desolate. And that's why the patient told me that he just goes in this mother's room, brother's room and sees how is the room, why my room is not so good. And he had a lot of, complaining nature because of some depression he was suffering from. So there's again a very interesting symptom in Valeriana. Wander desires to in the house about. House mein ghumte rehta. And he was also suffering from weakness of the wrist. He could not hold anything properly on the wrist without any reason. All the reports were normal. So this is again a very important symptom of Valeriana. Weakness of a single part. Only the wrist part. Weakness of single part. That is also Valeriana. There's one symptom which I remember of Valeriana, that is called SQUIRM. SQUIRM. कभी कभी क्या होता है, कुछ पेशेंट्स रहते हैं ना, जो आदमी लोग ऐसी बॉडी अपनी तोड़ते रहते हैं. Either they are very nervous or there is a discomfort, but बोलते हैं बॉडी तोड़ रहे, घूम रहे यहाँ से वहाँ. That is SQUIRM. SQUIRM. A very important symptom of Valeriana. You see in the road, and some people have habit of twisting side by side and side. That is called as SQUIRM, and that's again a very important symptom of Valeriana. Remember these symptoms because these symptoms I have seen a lot in my practice. That's why I'm discussing with you. One symptom where Valeriana is very close to ferrum metallicum. Discolorations of parts, white, which are actually red. Actually should be red, like ferrum metallicum. And one symptom, suddenly the patient comes and tells you, I was sitting normally in your chamber and suddenly see how wet I am. So there is sudden perspiration. That is Valeriana. So these 5-6 symptoms, are very, very important. Please remember this, write in your notes so that whenever the patient comes in front of you, you are able to understand and prescribe. There are other symptoms of Valeriana, common symptoms, very well marked, that you can go and read in your Mater Medica. So if you summarize the whole Valeriana, delusion, room desolate is, delusion strange, everything is disagreeable, dissolute, room appears, wonder desires to about the house, profuse and sudden perspiration, discoloration, white, red part becomes, SQUIRMS as I told you, and weakness, or you can say exhaustion or enervation of a single part, that is Valeriana. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.